Okay, here with number 40, we're looking at a concept called MAD, mean absolute deviation. And with mean absolute deviation, you can determine whether a set is either more variable or less variable, consistent than the other. For example, I have quiz scores: Tim, CJ, Amy, and Pamela. Which set is more variable? Which means which set varies the most, or which means which set the numbers are more spread out than the other. Okay, to just look at it to determine that, it would be difficult to do that. So we need to do the calculation. Mean absolute deviation is simply the average distances away from the mean. That's all it is. It's the average distances away from the mean. Well, to do the calculation, I need to find all my average distances, all my distances away from the mean, add them all up, divide by that number, and that will give me the average distances away from the mean. Okay? Okay, let's continue. Basically, you got to find all the distances away from the mean. Technically, you're supposed to find the distance away from the mean and then find the absolute value of it. But basically, just subtract largest minus the smallest value because it's always going to be a positive value. So here I'm going to go 80 minus 80, which is 0. I'm going to go 90 minus 80, which is 10. I'm going to go 80 minus 74, just to the largest. You could go the other way, but again, it's always going to be positive. So that'll give me 6. And I'm going to go 80 minus 76, which is 4. Those are all the distances away from the mean. Now, you just find the average. Add them up, divide by 4. 6 and 4 is what? 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Now you have 20 divided by 4. So your MAD for that particular one is equal to 5. That's it. Let's find the MAD for the other ones. Distance, 90 minus 80. 10, 10, 90 minus, notice it's 10 for all of them. Okay, add them up. What's that? 40. 40 divided by 4. What's 40 divided by 4? That's going to be 10 for this one. That's the MAD for that one. This one, same thing. 92 minus 80. Let's see, that's 8, 2, that 12. 80 minus 68, and then that's 2. Add them all up. 8 plus 2 plus 12 plus 2. What's that? 14. Let's do 8 plus 12 is 20, and 2 plus 2 is 4. That's 24 divided by 4. It's going to be 6. These are our MADs, our mean absolute deviation. And then for this one, 80 minus 70 is 10. That's 6. That's going to be 16. That's going to be a 0 for the last one. Add them up. That's 16. 16 and 16 is 32. 32 divided by 4 will give me 8. Well, those are all your mean absolute deviation. Now we just got to go back and let's answer the question. So we got 5, 10, 6, and 8. The first question, basically, you want to know which one or who is the most consistent. That's going to be the one with the smallest MAD. The one that's the largest variability is the one with the largest MAD. So basically, I'm going to go back to the program. The smallest one, that's going to be Tim. And the one with the most is going to be, looks like we're going to have CJ with 10. So it's going to be Tim for this particular one, A, and CJ for this particular one. That's it.